Thank you. 9:46 now is your time on your Friday morning, and we're back for part 2 of In the Know. Of course, running a business or organization can get tough, especially when it comes to the financial side of things. But here's the good news. Supreme Accounting is here to make things easier with free workshops and step-by-step help to keep your books in line. Whether you're running your own shop or you're just looking to maybe get some help with the numbers, here to share more about it is Gia Jones. Good morning, Gia. Thanks for being here.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So I want to first touch on the history of your business a little bit, because it is pretty extensive.
Yes, it is.
Tell us a little bit about the background.
Okay. Well, first I'll start with I graduated from Jackson State in Mississippi.
Okay.
Way back when, many years ago. And I was brought to Peoria via Caterpillar, working in their accounting area.
Okay.
I did that for almost 10 years. Me and my business partner started Supreme Accounting on the side, and then we went full-time in 2005. So we've been in business 22 years this year.
Oh, my gosh. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it's been pretty amazing. And the current location that we're at, which is on University, 3000 North University Street, we've been there about 17 years.
Excellent. All right. Now, I will say there's a lot of stuff to cover when it comes to the financial side of personal accounting, business accounting, right? Let's talk about some of the offerings that you have, because I know it's expansive too.
Yes. We, one of the things that is unique with us is we're open year-round. So we do taxes. Right now we're in tax season, so I'm dealing with like maybe 1 hour of sleep. But you know.
Oh my gosh, I wouldn't be able to tell. Right? You're doing better than Bella and I, seriously.
Yes, but one of the things is we're open year-round. So some of our other competitors, they're only open during tax season. But because we do payroll, accounting, bookkeeping, financial statements, we're actually open year-round. So our competitive edge is we're always around to help. When they get those letters from the IRS and they come running to our office, they don't have to wait till next tax season. We're there. And yeah, we've been doing this now, adding actually the bookkeeping and payroll component when we went full time. We always did taxes.
Oh, wow.
So we do individual taxes, partnership, corporations, and also estate taxes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you are much smarter than I am. I can already tell. You have a brain for numbers, right? What's your favorite part about being in this business?
Well, you know, it has nothing to do with numbers, actually. Owning your own business gives me the latitude to be with my family.
Oh, yeah.
So the work does not go away. It's still there waiting, you know what I mean? But I can work it at home at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. So it gives me the opportunity to do things I love, like ministry and being with my family and making the basketball game and the cheerleading and the drama activities, because I could come back and just pick up where I left off. But I would say, if we're talking about accounting and numbers, I love doing taxes. That is kind of like my favorite time of the year. Like, you know, I don't like being sleepy and tired, but I love tax season. It's the adrenaline, the different tax law changes. It keeps it interesting.
Oh, for sure. Are you a coffee fan or a caffeine fan?
Yeah, every day, you know, I get up and we go to the office. You know, my office assistant knows the first thing you need to do is greet me with coffee.
Oh, there you go. There's a routine for you right there. Wow.
So, yes, I'm a big fan of coffee.
I love that. We're going to wrap up here in just a second, Belle. I did want to ask, obviously, like you said, being in tax season right now and you being the professional in the field that you are, what would your best bit of advice would be for anybody out there that's maybe just kind of getting things started, or maybe they're just looking for a little bit of help?
Yeah, so my advice for small businesses, which is one of the things I have a passion for because I am a small business, is not to try to cut corners. It's challenging when you start your own business and you have to wear all the hats. You have to have money for, you know, your actual product or your service. So a lot of times you try to take on things yourself, like doing your own taxes or doing your own bookkeeping or financial statements. And what I've learned over the 22 years in being in business is it can become a bit of a disaster. So to get a great accounting firm, such as Supreme Accounting and Tax Services, at the ground level, then when they grow, we can grow with them, and they can make sure that they're having all the things that they need to have in place, and not just once they start being productive or having a profit. So that's one of the things. Sales tax, payroll tax. Those are two of the things that I see why businesses don't stay in business, because they avoid paying those taxes. And so, yeah, it hurts them in the end.
All about being proactive.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes,
For
having
sure.
that firm foundation in the beginning.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Hey, you know what? Something to take to heart there. Gia, thank you so much for coming in. And we also put up some information on your screen. If you want to check Supreme out, and of course, we'll have the interview online as well. When we come back, we'll talk about some entertainment news making the headlines in just a bit.